Hello guys, let's install ESP8266 board in Arduino IDE. First open your Arduino IDE, then open Preferences. Here you have to paste a link. For link, visit my website and copy this link. Now paste that link here and click on the OK button. Now open Boards Manager. And enter ESP8266 in search box. Here you can see ESP8266 board. Select the latest version and click on the install button. It will take few minutes to install. If you have any doubt, visit my website, link in the description. It's my website Techno-E-Solution. Here I have posted complete article on this tutorial, so just click on it. Here you will get the complete details about this tutorial step by step. You also get a link which you have to paste into the preferences. I hope this article will be helpful for you. So here you can see I have successfully installed the ESP8266 board in Arduino IDE. Let's check it. Here you can see the different ESP8266 board in Arduino IDE. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next one.